back in Busan again, which reminds me of the Swedish west coast city Gothenburg. And today we're visiting one of the famous Buddhist temples, which are one of my pleasures in sightseeing. I'm not a religious man, but rather spiritual, that believes the whole point of religions is mental and spiritual development. As you need to exercise your body, you need to exercise your mind, and Buddhism is one of the best religions to express that.
It's mine. Rabbit.
Sadly, all religions are used to control people and forcing them to follow some idiotic people's opinions and turning them against other people. Or used as commercial businesses to take money from the big masses for enriched a few in control. The core purpose of religions to develop people's minds and spirits has been discarded to instead manipulate for power, money, erase cultures, and enslavement. No matter if it's family, friends, or people from other countries or cultures. If you want to believe in Christianity, Islam, Catholicism, Buddhism, or even the devil, that's fine. As long as you don't hurt, judge, condemn, or force anybody that doesn't have the same beliefs as you.
Very cozy. Very cozy.
And why are so many people obsessed with trying to convince that they are going the wrong way or have the wrong belief? Stop focusing on what other people believe or do or not do. If you are certain that you're doing the right thing and will end up in heaven or whatever paradise, then congratulations, and just be happy and focus on yourself. And isn't it incredible that so big part of the world population for thousands of years believe in something that and follow blindly for what there are no physical proof or witnesses? Maybe the strongest and the weakest ability of the humans is the power to believe in something.
No, I hear water, Papa. Hello.
After visiting so many temples in Korea, I must say that this is one of the most beautiful ones I have ever seen.
What did you get?
And
What did you get? How many?
I always have to buy some memory with, which today was a ring and a bracelet. It's good.
You shopper.
You cannot see my smiling.
Wow. Look at the pigeons, Cheryl.
Yeah, Busan really has one of the most beautiful temples in Korea, and we have to come back here again. This is all for today. Bye bye.